Hello, moms and dads. Make a foil heart with me. Get your foil paper from your kitchen. Then you are going to fold it like this, edge to edge. Simple. Align them. Take your time. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then grab your marker. It's very useful around the house. Grab your marker and you're going to draw a line like this. Deep breaths, take your time. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're just bonding with the kids and keeping them engaged, learning through play. Grab your scissors. I'm using the kids' scissors over here. We're just going to follow the line. It's very simple, very easy. While doing this, the kids were watching me. They were marveled. They loved it. And they wanted to try it also. At the end of it all, they really enjoyed it, and with much curiosity, they tried their best to create something similar. So voila, we have our heart ready. If you notice, the other one was a bit crumbled. So this one I didn't crumble the foil paper. So I think I prefer the crumbled one. Yeah, so use your glue to stick it to the paper. It is that easy. The items I've used so far is paper from an old shoebox lying around the house. If you don't have that, you can use cardboard paper or any paper of your choice to stick the hearts to it. We use foil paper from your kitchen, then glue, paper glue. Simple. Everything from the comfort of your home. So after that, you get ready to use your marker and just trace out the line. You can use a black marker, whatever color you choose. Just be creative with it. Take your time. Do your thing. The children are watching you create. They're also learning, and they would want to try it out for themselves. So you lead by example. You do your own bit and give them the space to do theirs. And mind you, you are going to be blown by their creativity. It's always a thing of beauty watching them create with your tiny fingers. If you have stayed to this very part of the video, just know you're a superstar. Thank you so much for your time, and we'll be dropping more videos. Stay tuned. Have a lovely day ahead.